Hey, Ryan here from AudioVisions, and today I'm here at the CEDIA Tech and Business Summit in Irvine. And if you're into smart home tech, this is the place to be. You might be wondering, what exactly is CEDIA? Well, CEDIA stands for the Custom Design and Installation Association. It's basically the heartbeat of the smart home industry. CEDIA brings together all the people who design and install the tech that makes luxury homes feel futuristic. Think home theaters, lighting control, shades that move on their own, climate systems that know your habits, and so much more. CEDIA isn't just about products. It's leveling up the whole industry, whether it's certifications, training, best practices. They make sure that homes installations go solid and seamlessly. So whether you're a builder, designer, integrator, or just a tech lover, this is where the future of home design begins.